What we've done is we've taken an old steel drum, your 40-gallon drum, we've converted this, we've cut out the top and bottom, we've put on flanges, and we've actually turned what was a steel drum into all the pipe work for the system. So we've tried to use all materials that were lying around on site, and we think it's as strong as hell. It really is. It's very, very durable. The first phase, as we come out of the building, we're going to go into our first phase of filtration. This is a horizontal cyclone, which is going to drop out all the heavy stuff first, and then it's going to have a bleed-off fan, and we're going to drop it all into this bin. This is the first stage of filtration. Let's go through the rest of it. The primary set of filters that we have are housed in this section. We have a bank of oil wet fiberglass pads which hold about 5 kilograms of dust each pad. So we're taking out a lot of the heavy stuff before it reaches the other stage of filtration. In this system, we're working on a multi-stage filter system, and everything is about trying to preserve the expensive at the expense of the cheaper. This is a washable set of panel filters which are either disposable or washable and reusable. The second door houses, or second section houses, the pocket filters, which are higher in efficiency than the washable panels, and again utilized in a bank form that are going to protect the final filters. The last stage is the HEPA filters, or you might know them as HEPA filters. They are high efficiency particulate air filters, and these are what are going to give us the final result of clean air at the end of the line. At this point, I'd like to add that it is very possible to fit in here a cooling coil. Now, in this particular application, they just want to extract the air and put it to atmosphere as clean air. But what we would like to see in other applications is to have a cooling system that we could return the air back into the building as clean, cooled air, and at least we're making use of the value that a person would spend on such an item. The last stage is, how do we draw all the air through this? We use a large centrifugal fan which is custom made to deliver the volume that we need to put through the system. This is a side exit. It could have a top discharge, and we could fit a stack on top of that if it was required, but in this application that's what the client requested. Moving to the back of the container, this is where we house the fan section. It is mounted, it is fixed in position, and all you would need to do is plug in the power. So this is a complete containerized filter system that can be put down on site, transported with ease, and all you need to do is put it down and plug it in.